I don't know if you have noticed that many traffic niche students have gradually started the road of transformation and starred in some more meaningful film and television works. Xiao Zhan starred in Ace Troop and Yang Yang starred in Special War Glory. They abandoned the burden of idols and played soldiers, which left a good impression on the audience. And another top niche student, Wang Yibo, is actually undergoing a transformation. It's just that the movie Peacekeeping and Riot Squad may not be broadcast temporarily due to the relationship with a certain artist. I thought it would take a long time for Wang Yibo's transformation drama, but what I didn't expect was good news from Ice Rain and Fire. Speaking of the work Ice Rain and Fire, the audience should not be very unfamiliar. Although it has not yet been set, it has attracted the attention of countless people during the shooting period. It can be said that it is a film and television drama that has not been broadcast before it is broadcast. In the play, Wang Yibo teamed up with Chen Xiao to be an undercover agent. They experienced difficulties and obstacles and broke down an entire drug trafficking group. For audiences familiar with Wang Yibo and Chen Xiao, this is undoubtedly a work worth looking forward to. Of course, for viewers who like to watch police and bandit dramas and anti-drug dramas, this must be another work that attracts attention. As a traffic niche in the entertainment industry, Wang Yibo became popular with Chen Qingling, and most of the works he starred in were idol-themed works, so everyone is looking forward to seeing Wang Yibo's transformation. After all, traffic can only maintain a temporary popularity, but the strength is different, and the powerful traffic actors are what the audience likes. In the past few years, Wang Yibo has produced many works and many popular dramas, but along the way, there have been more and more doubts. If you can rely on Ice Rain and Fire to reposition people, then the public will gradually change their views on the traffic on him, and have different views. Of course, the drama hasn't aired yet. Wang Yibo's performance of Undercover in this drama will depend on whether he can succeed or not.